Governor, this is Raj Aryan, and today I am going to talk about the new commander released by the game. Yes, none other than Queen Tamar of Georgia. Personally, I don't have any interest in this epic commanders because this commander is specialized in gathering. You can see the second skill says bonus gathering speed for wood, and there are some more benefit while you gather resources, other kind of resources. But since I don't have good secondary, I just want to try something else with my Alexander. Currently I am using Alexander with Frederick, and if you see Frederick gives additional damage factor 800, which is 80% chance uh, it will act or not, you are not sure. Then it is about healing, there is only 10% chance of healing. So 1000 healing for 10% chance is, I don't feel good. And the last thing is troop capacity. Right now I have only 9% troop capacity on my Frederick, so I feel I should have someone else with my Alexander. So I just want to invest my epic sculptures because they are useless in the game. And let me show you the skills of Queen Tamar of Georgia. The first skill says healing factor of 300, which comes over the next 2 seconds. That means 600 healing factors there. Then there is defense bonus of 15%. So Alexander needs some defense and some health. You can see Alexander is all about shielding and damaging. And then you can see there is attack. I have not maxed the Alexander, I don't want to. And the last skill says either attack or defense. So yes, when the shield is on, he takes 10% defensive stats. But since Queen Tamar of Georgia will give instant 15% defense bonus, so it will be very good for my Alexander. The second skill is relevant to gathering, so I am not worried about this thing. I don't care for gathering. The third skill says normal attack damage bonus is 10%, and normal attack have 10% chances to reduce target's attack reduction is there up to 30% for 3 seconds, and this effect will trigger once every 5 seconds. So for 3 seconds if the skill triggers, then for next 3 seconds there will be attack reduction of 30%, and it will come again just after wait of 2 seconds. So it is also good to pair with my Alexander. And you can see troop capacity bonus is 10%. Right now my Frederick takes 9%, so 1% is there, so it's not a very difference making thing. But now if I talk about the expertise says troop led by this commander together with a nearby ally with the fewest units remaining gain 20% increased defense. So the 15% defense stat is now converted into 20% defense, 10% from shield of Alexander and 20% by Queen Tamar of Georgia. So it's good defense stats. And healing factor is now 350 instead of 300, so we can get 700 of healing. So I feel it is good to pair with my Alexander, since I don't have a good pair with my Alexander and I am an infantry player. I used to send 5 marches of infantry on the field, so yes, I need this commander. Let's unlock. Let's give her some Tome of Knowledges to make her reach on level 10 fast. Now she is on level 10. No, I don't want this bundle. Okay, This is the tricky part. I hope I can get a good result by this. Now I will use this thing. Let me see. Okay, 86, that's good. Now let me see again. That's 90. One more time I will use. This is 94. Okay, I won't take chance. That is good. That is sufficient, I feel. Now I will try the trick. Okay, I don't think I will be getting the full stars, just because I am lacking. It's only 45%. So you can adjust all the things like that if you have sufficient starlight sculptures. I just use all my sculptures in buying the credits, so it's just okay. I have sufficient amount of. Oh, lucky. Lucky, you can see it's lucky. So all skill are unlocked on level 10. Now we will use universal sculpture. Let's go, baby. I want you to get maxed as soon as possible. And now we have a lot of epic sculptures. Now 20 it's asking. We are going randomly because we are using epic sculptures. We have abundant of epic sculptures, so we don't care how many sculptures we will use. And yes, after finishing this, we have planned experiment. Usually we experiment in Ark of Osiris, but since the KVK is about to come and everyone is preparing for the KVK, so I have decided that I will do the experiment with the expedition mode. Expedition mode will give some good idea, basic ideas about the outcome, how the battle will proceed. Okay, it's about to max soon. 2 skills are maxed. 3 skills are maxed. Now we are working on the last skill, so we can have an expertise Tamara, Queen Tamara of Georgia. So here it is, the final skill, and it is now maxed. Yo baby, yes. So without delaying, let's go to the expedition and let's have an experiment. How does it works? Alexander we want, and with Alexander we will be using Queen. Let's send them. We will be watching it against Cavs. Yeah, infantry is superior to Cavs. Okay, let the Frederick come. Now you are watching it giving a good damage to Khan. Oh, nice animation and good healing. You can see. The healing is good. The normal attack damage is also good. The shielding from Alexander. The battle is going in our favor. Our Alexander has a good amount of troops. Still he has a good amount of troops because of healing. Healing is not good. Some people think that healing is not good, but yes, for a sustainable battle, for your sustainable presence on the battlefield, you must heal some portion of units. Otherwise you should have Attila Takeda only, because Attila Takeda is the only pair which can give you a good result on the field. Rest, nobody can give the same result as Attila Takeda. If you talk about infantry, infantry is all about sustainability, it's about tankiness. So yes, you do need healing. Yeah, I accept that it is heavy on the hospital bill, but yes, infantry is all about tankiness. And you can see this pair is working pretty decent. Now Khan is about to die, and we still have 3/4 of our troop remaining. Now you can see the normal attack damage is good, and we are healing good amount of units also. So yes, this commander is good. If you use this commander on a good place with good primary commander, then you can get a good result also. You can see the normal attack damage is pretty decent, and the shielding effect and defense enhancement of both commander is good. So yes, we will be testing more this commander, and that's all I wanted to show you guys, that how you can use an epic commander with a legendary commander to make a sustainable pair on the field, so your kingdom can have you on the field as much and as long as the fight goes on. So that's all. You can see, if you wanted to see, I can show the full battle, but I feel that's enough. You can see the normal attack damage difference. We are having around 300 per round, and the opponent has 950 per round. So the battle is going in our favor, and it's good. You can see the difference of troops. We are having 127,000, and the Frederick has 100,000, now 99,000. So the battle is going in our favor, and as we both are healing, the battle will take a long time. So in conclusion, you can see that we are getting good normal attack damage to Frederick. So the battle will be going in our favor, and hence you can say the new epic commander is useful in some ways where you want sustainability. Okay, the screen got locked because as I said, the battle will be going so long. So yes, that's all for now. See you guys. Happy gaming.